Ajax-aanwinst Miralem Sulejmani heeft maandag voor het eerst als Ajaxiet de pers te woord gestaan. De duurste aankoop ooit van de Amsterdammers met ruim 16 miljoen euro voelt zich al helemaal thuis.
Almost when I was young, 10 years, I dream about Ajax and now it's not my dream, it's real. I'm very happy because of that. Yeah, Ajax is the biggest club in Holland. It's the best club for young players and to make for next step after that. And it's all. Mark also is coming. He was a big player. I can learn from him too much.
De watervlugge aanvaller hoopt dat Klaas-Jan Huntelaar bij Ajax blijft.
Yeah, it's very easy to play with Huntelaar. I didn't play, but I heard very nice things about him, and I hope he stays. I hope I meet him next week.
You can give him a call and tell him to stay.
Yeah, this is decision from him. His decision for yourself. I cannot do nothing if he wants to stay. I hope he stays.
Everybody wants to know how many goals are you going to score?
Yeah, I'm team players. I don't want to speak about goals. I want to speak only about Ajax to take title. This is important.
Eén vraagje, hoe staat het met je Nederlands op dit moment?
Ja, ik kan spreken een klein beetje Nederlands, maar niet goed.
We hadden het gewoon in het Nederlands kunnen doen allemaal.
Yeah, it's a little bit difficult. It's a little bit difficult for me. I can understand some things on the training, but not all, you know. But English is a little bit better.